Good morning. Happy Friday. I have good news. It looks to be a Palestine exhibition at the Makail. Oh, wonderful. Let's see some of this artwork. Here we have a piece right at the main entrance. It's a beautiful piece. It's called Shem Makail Funds Genocide in Gaza. Divest now. That's right. Disclose, divest. We will not stop. We will not rest. It's a beautiful piece. Let's see what else we have here. We have a piece called From the River to the Sea. It's a beautiful piece. Give me a second to absorb that. Here we have another beautiful work. Lovely. Alright. Very nice. Yeah, I think there's going to be a nice exhibition. There's going to be some artists coming, some live music. Seems like it. Looks like Makail's come around. Looks like Makail's come around. Yeah. That's so beautiful. Let's see what else we have. Here's their manifesto. Okay. We have another beautiful work here. More than $140 million invested in genocide. Blood-soaked diploma. Hello. There we have some of the best guys. These guys are the best. They get paid to pretend they're cops or something. Oh, you're supposed to be intimidating me. Guys, come on. I'm not going to be intimidated by myself. Yeah, that's what the university does. Funds bombing of babies. Because they are killers. Murderers. Okay, here's another beautiful piece. Makail complicity depends on your comfort and ignorance. Reject apathy. Join the fight. That's right. Oh, what a beautiful flag. All right, looks like the exhibition is just about to get kick-started. I hope there's going to be some live music. So I hear it's going to start at 3:30 p.m. So if you have another piece of art you would like to bring to the square, 3:30 I believe is the exhibition. Okay, very nice. There's gonna be some anti-genocide artwork. These guys are the best. What's up? You guys are the best. You're supposed to be intimidating me. Come on. I'm not scared. What is this? Your job. All right. So it's 3:30, I believe. The program starts at 3:30.